number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better.
Okay, so this is the third outfit, showing the bright orange puff sleeve blouse. I absolutely love it. I love incorporating a pop of color in my outfits, and I think this one is perfect. It's still classy, it's still chic, but it's bright and it's vibrant. I love the outfit. I do like it with the white boots and the gold nugget purse, but this is classy as well because the shoes has matte silver and like a liquid silver. You know, this outfit is a little bit more classy, but it's really cute, it's chic, as well as the purse with it. I like it. Alright, you tell me what you think, guys. This blouse are all in my TikTok shop if you're interested. So yeah, this is super cute. Let me know what you think of these outfits in the comments, guys. Don't be shy. Alright, let me get to the last outfit.